Very good afternoon, all of you. Welcome back in another session on one of the topic of international business. This is a part of Unit 6, Export Strategy and Import Strategy. Export Strategy and Import Strategy in International Business. So I'm taking this session. Why we require export strategy? Let's put a light on that. I hope you understand at this point of time what is export and what is import. Export when you deliver your goods and services outside the country and you get some amount in exchange of that. Import is when you take goods and services from foreign country to your home country. Okay, so advantages of export strategy. First advantage of export strategy is require less time and expertise. So your time saving is there in export strategy. I will give you a brief explanation how your time is saving. And expertise, less expertise you require. Surplus to balance of payment. If you will export more, then the foreign currency will come to the India and there will be surplus in the balance of payment of India. I have already told you to do an assignment in which you will check the 5 countries to which India is exporting and importing, and also check the commodities India is exporting or importing. Whenever you will draft export strategy, you can always use those facts and figures. Help companies to expand. There are many companies who want to expand. They know their goods and services are not doing anything good for a local customer, but if they will go on a global platform, they can sell their products and services there. There can be products, there can be companies who can face saturation phase in their home country, but they can go outside the home country. And outside the home country, there can be multiple number of options for them. So export strategy can help them, help companies. E-resources. Today the whole world is stopped because of Corona. At that time, e-resources technology can help the companies. So that because of technology, many companies, because of technology, many small companies are adopting Bond Global approach. What is Bond Global approach? You are selling your products and services, in foreign market from very first day because you have the technology. A very good example of that is bed and breakfast companies, hotels in foreign countries. जैसे कोई होटल बनता है वो फटाक से अपना आज के टाइम में लिंक फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम इन सब पे डाल देते हैं, तो there is no need of virtual office, there is no need of physical office. The technology can play that part. So technology at the same time e-resources के लिए भी आपका ये जो export strategy है, this is beneficial. So these are the advantages of export strategy. Now look forward on what factors it depend. Certain facts related to export strategy. Initially, export was a game of big multinationals. Big multinationals. Because size play an important role. Size of company play an important role in export. If your company size is big, you are able to take as much as risk. You are able to tackle as much as hurdles or challenges. Because what are the pitfalls of export strategy? What are the pitfalls of export strategy? Pitfalls: you do not have the financial resources, you do not have the customer engagement. आप अपना मटेरियल गुड्स सर्विसेज बाहर बेचना चाहते हो, कस्टमर ही नहीं है, कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट नहीं है आपका. or in today's era technology. You do not have the modern updated technology. अब अगर हम इन तीनों चैलेंजेस और पिटफॉल्स पे अगर हम थोड़ा ब्रीफली इसके बारे में सोचें, if you are working for a big multinational and a big multinational designing its export strategy, then the big multinational will be able to tackle all these things: financial resources, customer engagement and technological concern. But a small firm will face several issues. There are several small firms who are not updated on the usage of technology. So how to form an export strategy? Okay, what are the key elements of export strategy? Before going to the key elements, we need to understand what type of firms are present in the system of a country. There can be a firm which is not at all interested in exports. They are happy and they are capable enough to cater only the needs of domestic market. Phase 1. First type of firms who are not interested to go abroad at all. They are happy in the domestic market and they are catering the needs of the domestic customer only. Second phase. The companies were initially engaged in the foreign market sporadically. Sometimes they sell their products and services to foreign market, but not regularly. Second phase, second type of companies. Third type of companies, advanced. Advanced companies are regularly or continuously exporting their goods and services to foreign market. So these are the three types of companies. Now let's come to the export strategy. Your export strategy depends on the opportunities and resources. First element, what are the opportunities in the foreign market? Are you capable enough to cash on those opportunities? Do you have those resources कि आप एक solution बना के दे सके? Whatever solution you will make, that solution will be your goods or service. Export counseling. Do you have the proper export counseling? What are the documents and everything required? How to export outside country? Next, export market. Which market you are targeting for exporting your product? Like our neighbor country China always target India for exporting its mobile phones or electronics, because India, the number of customers in India are large enough. India has a large population similar to China, so market is good. So every type of consumer is in India. Either you can say the customer with a higher purchasing power, lower purchasing power, high class, middle class, lower class. At the same time, after exporting, after you will select your export market. Fourth, implement your export strategy. In that export strategy, is the technology is a part of your export strategy or not? Nowadays, you need to make technology an important part of your export strategy. So today I am concluding my video only to the export strategy. In the next video I will talk about the import strategy. Thank you very much for patient listening.